Thomas Pond, right in the deepest part of the lake. Definitely marking fish. So Jim was here on another Honda, but he's gone to get a pop-up. It's really windy, but good times. Avalor, dude. So it's pretty windy here, so we've had to kind of, but it's even, the gusts have been enough where it'd be impossible to have a pop-up, I think. So we're just trying to, this setup here is giving a little windbreak, and then Jim has the hunting blind acting as a windbreak. We put part of the blind under the tires. But I'll tell you, a little while ago, it felt like the Arctic tundra. There had to have been 45 mile per hour winds. It's Thomas Pond. How does that feel now?
Oh, authorized.
So is it breaking the wind or not? So it's a wee windy, and if you see it's blue sky there, and then look at that. That's what we call a lot of snow coming. See how dark it is over there? Oh, and it's windy. Yep. We'll see what happens. Yep. See that? That's coming towards us. We're hardy. We're very hardy. To a point. We're hardy to a point. Ah! Oh la la! Holy moly!